So why do I base jump? I don't know. I have ginger hair. How else am I meant to pick up the girls? For me, as a kid growing up, then I always used to dream of flying. Once I first saw wingsuit base jumping on TV, then I knew it was something that I wanted to do. However, it takes a lot of time, dedication, practice in skydiving, and then someone to mentor you into the world of base. I personally have taken a few shortcuts and fast-tracked my way into wingsuit base jumping. It's not the recommended way. I didn't quite have the number of skydives and base jumps that some more experienced pilots would recommend, but I try and manage the risks and do things within my ability and try and keep it as safe as possible. Our sport is like no other. The risks are high and mistakes in this game can be costly. Because of this intense environment, we form relationships quickly and share an experience most can only dream about. It's a community full of positive vibes and happy people. And of course, we're all slightly special in our own little way, so we know how to have a good time.
2, 1, go.
Ultimately, my goal in wingsuit base is to fly gnarly terrain like Brevent and fly it well. But more importantly, it is to be doing it surrounded by friends, having fun, smiling, enjoying life. That's what it's about. That's why I love it. Brevent opened back up to wingsuiters at the start of summer. Every day I look up to this mountain and visualise what it's going to be like to fly, and I'm starting to feel like I'm getting much closer to being ready for this challenge.
Beautiful morning here in the valley. It's warm, the sun is shining. I think we need to go get wet.